Are you doing the alphabet puzzle?
That's famous.
That's the same as that. You're right.
Yeah. Where does that go?
Where does that go? Oh, I see.
That goes right there.
Goes right there?
That goes right that way.
Yeah, turn it over. Flip it over.
Flip it over?
Yeah, flip it over like this. That's a G.
I can't put it in. Oh.
Yes, you can.
Where did that go?
Where does that go? Do you see it? Look at it. What letter is that? That's a P. Hmm? That's the same as that. Almost. Huh? It is. Okay.
I'm almost done.
You almost done?
More letters.
You get a few more letters. Okay. Can you sing the alphabet song?
Yeah.
Can I hear it?
Like that. Like the letters.
When you're done the letters? You found the last two. What's that one?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, M, P, Q, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. How I know my ABC, that's I want to sing with me.
Very good. And you did the whole puzzle, didn't you? Hmm?